All right, folks, welcome back to another window screen adventure. We're working on a project here today in Simi. Those screens there, those three at the top, you can't tell from the picture from here from my camera, but I will tell you they are not in such great shape. They got holes, they're thin. I'll be getting up there with my ladder and removing those, rescreening them. Also, all these windows over here that we see, let's see if I can get it around here. Yeah, all these. It's a great property though. It's really nice out here in Simi. I don't know if you're not familiar with Simi. It's Southern California city, pretty cool. There's our whole setup. Anyway, I'm gonna walk around the back here in a second. We're also gonna be installing two new screen doors, the heavy duty and the medium duty door that I sell and put together. We're gonna be doing that. All right, sit back and enjoy. Get yourself a cold drink and enjoy another Simi Valley window screen adventure. Alright, so all of these doors come unmade. You can see. Try to explain this to customers. They think that I'm going to show up with a door that's fully put together. The problem is I could actually do that, but if there was any issue with the actual size I measured when I was here previously, or I didn't remember something, now you would assemble a whole door that doesn't fit right. This is a medium weight door. It's exactly like our heavyweight door, except it has a little bit different wheel configuration, which I'm going to show. But it has the same aluminum handle, same basic frame, just not quite as strong. Highly recommend it for secondary sliders. One of those sliders you use occasionally, but mostly just open the door to let fresh air in. And that's what we're doing here. We're going to use a heavy duty door on the one that accesses the backyard. I'm going to show all of that when we get to the backyard and we start installing all these. We close out the show. So let's get after it. On a previous video, I showed you the corners. Here's the light duty, not light duty, but medium duty corner. This is what holds the whole door together once I cut it at a 45, make it a picture frame, and put it all together. Here's the wheels. In this case, they had already installed them. Normally they come uninstalled. They go up in there. I won't take it out because it's already in there, but also a good wheel. That little screw right there is the actual up and down adjustment. This screw, I don't know if you can see it. I get people, they ask me, why is that screw in there? That's so you can adjust the wheel. For anybody watching, if you ever buy one of these doors from me, that's why that screw's in there. They're on the top and the bottom. You can see none of these doors are cut. I try to explain this to people. This is our medium weight door. They come unmade. This is just a straight end. It's all got to be cut and fabricated. That's all part of the install. What you do is cut the blank side first. Then that way we can put the handle in the middle using the cut blank side, which will be the right length. This was about 79 inches. I'm going to make it just a little less because I need some room to adjust the wheels up and down. Make it just about an 1/8 inch smaller. Once I make the cut, I'll go back to the door and make sure it fits in there. Beautiful. Let's go see if it fits. All right, fits like a glove. Let's cut the next one. Basically what I do is use this piece I cut as a template. This is where all the handle and everything goes. So this piece, the piece I cut, this new cut, they have to be the same distance here and here. So it's in the center. Gotta keep it square, folks. Screen mesh has to be square. It has to be. It's the rule. You have screening. Keep the screen mesh square. Now we want to do the short ends first. Create the most tension we can on the length side, so that way when I put the side spline in, it doesn't pull the frame in. I say that on every door I make for a reason. For those of you who want to venture into the screen door construction business, I would highly recommend that piece of advice. And I'm going to put that handle on. A locking piece. Right in here, ever so gently. Use our trusty punch. And this is the piece for the inside for the customer to pull on when they want to open it. There's one. There's two. Here's the little, this is the latch you use to lock it. Not that it's going to keep out a criminal, but it will keep your slider from going back and forth. Oh, it's not in right. There we go. This is what you pull on. This is what you pull on when you're on the outside of the door. All right, let's put it in. Wheels are spring loaded, so you just push them up. Talked about those screws before. This is where we screw them in. This will pick up, the counterclockwise lifts the door up a little bit. Here we go. So there's a gap back here right now where bugs could go around. So they make this rubber thing. It's called the fly sweep, and it comes about an inch. It has scored lines here so you can tear off what you don't need. All right, there you go. One medium weight door installed. Just want to show the property. This guy's got a great house. I mean, he's got a swimming pool back here. It's a huge property. And look at that yard. You could have 3 dogs back here. Isn't that awesome? This guy's got a big lot, man. It's really nice. Really nice. I'd be back here. Never have to take a vacation. You'd have your own resort. Anyway, let's get back at it, shall we? We got a lot of work left to do. Got to build another door and then go to town on all these screens. So let's get to it. right, that's the last screen. I'm going to take a quick walk around, just use my tripod here, and show you the final thing on all this job that we did. As you know, such a nice house. If you're ever in Simi, man, or you can afford to live out here, I'd recommend it. It's so sweet. Anyway, we did those 2 screens. Rehabbed, put new screen material back in them, pull tabs, put all new pull tabs. There was one missing here, so this one on the left here is actually no. Is that the one? No, that's not the brand new screen. The one on the right is. So we did these 4 right here. That one up there on the left was okay. It was just hanging out of the frame. I put that back. These 2 I rescreened. Just gonna walk around here. Beautiful backyard. And then, of course, that door. This one. These 2 windows right here. Actually, maybe that's the old frame and the one next to it's new. And way up on top, the slider, just redid that. And then, of course, we did this one and that one up there. Anyway, that concludes our Simi project. We're just going to go ahead and start cleaning up. You can watch it your own or turn it off, whatever you want to do. We're going to clean up our mess. So sit back and enjoy some more adventure of the window screen type. All right, this concludes another window screen adventure from Simi Valley. If you get a chance, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, you know, that stuff that YouTube people say. Yeah, do all those things. And come back and watch some more videos of our exciting screen repair business. I'm not sure how exciting it is, but I find it interesting to watch things people do. So maybe this you'll find interesting, who knows. All right, window screen adventures out.